guys, today we will be doing part 3 on restoring Christine here. My plans are to completely knock out the interior. I was pulling like the panels out, then I found out, woohoo, it didn't stay, this metal, but it ripped out. I need to go to support it so it ain't so flimsy. Also this week I want to get that area 100% and that area 100% and maybe some of a floor for the main trunk area. Also want to get the door cards on here. Let me go get them real quick so you guys can see what they would look like. No, it's too full. I'll go do that once it's time, but I'll get the door cards and everything in. Maybe not this one because we need to replace the window. As you can see, must have been a common thing because quite a bit of them were broken. And yeah, complete this inside, that floor thing, door cards and stuff, and maybe we'll start the engine. Yeah. Next week video will be on the sunliner, so stay tuned for that. I think it'll be exciting. So let's start. Right here, as I'm talking about, I was able to pull the metal right out. So I'm gonna look for my earplugs and stuff and grind everything all the way. Go try some metal, find some metal so I can go this way, and up and down from that feet thing so I can support it from there. I'm gonna be trying spot weld. So okay, I got my sheet metal here. This is pretty strong. I can't bend it. Yeah, I'll go cut some strips out of this, put it there, and yeah, hopefully it's strong enough. I'm gonna start with up and down, and I'm gonna do the left, the support, X support, you know? Let me show you how wobbly it is. Watch. And that's where you put your feet. You don't want that to happen when you put your feet down. So I'm gonna go cut it up and yeah, I'll go weld it with you. Okay guys, I think I got everything ready. I'm a bit nervous about welding. I hadn't welded in a while and I don't know how my eyes are gonna do. So the learning experience for both of us, or all of us. So here's my piece of choice, a little bit thin, but all I needed to do is add support to this so it don't move. So I'm gonna hold it here, do a spot weld there, and go from there. So see, I'm gonna have sunglasses. Alright, let me go take you in. If you don't think that's good, yeah, I don't really. If anyone knows how to properly weld, yeah, let me know in the comment section below. I'm doing what Whiskey didn't said, higher heat and lower wire speed. I think that's what he said. It's kind of working. Let me put on my glove and show you what it looks like. Sorry for the lighting. Oh, whoops, wrong glove. Yeah, as you can see, nice and solid. I'm gonna go get a few hits with that. If it breaks, then it breaks, and I'll do it again. If it don't, I'm gonna put a lower piece down from here to there, so this is supported. Look at that. Sorry about the shaking. Oh no, guys! I just literally lost the footage. Ha! I lost the footage, but yeah, I was like, you know what? Screw it. So I got that whole panel, and I put it there. And now watch me walk on or step on it. Oh, much better. Oh yeah. Yeah, huge shout outs to Whiskey Dance. I don't know why, but I think, yeah, he was right. Higher heat is better. Just look at that. Look at that. That's much better. You saw me step on it. It was sturdy. Hey, well, as a reward, let's do something cool. All right, we'll be putting panels in. We're done with there, so I am really happy. Yeah, let's get 3 likes for this video. And yeah, 3 happy. Gimme. Here we are. I'm a trained professional. So, whoa. You see that, guys? I think I just restored it. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Wow, magic. There we are. We got a factory restored panel theme. As you can see, there's like, whoops, these pins here. They go in these holes in the door. Let me show you. Got 1 or 2 in. Yeah, we get in there. We get in there. So that came out. That one lined up, I think. Same with that one. Be right back with a screwdriver. Alright, you'll need the plus head screwdriver. Not the minus one, do the plus one. You want a bigger head. So, you're probably wondering, what's next? What's next? That's next. I got some cool looking Galaxy ones, I think. Maybe they'll fit. I don't know. I got them off of Temu for $1. They have everything on there. No, of course they don't have them on Temu. Temu is horrible. Now, I recommend not using it because, yeah, I heard they've been stealing people's credit card info and selling it. Looks like we got an upgrade. Look at that door handle or door panel. Oh. Yubba yubba doo! Yeah. This hole supposed to be there. They're just a teensy bit different, but I think they look better. Especially once they clean up. And look, that door closes amazing. Take them off, which I lost mine, so I can't show you. So push real hard, maybe give it a bang or two. Give it some holes maybe. Oh. I guess we're in. So I'm gonna do this to all of the other panels and I'll get back to you guys. All right. Just got done putting all the panels on. There we are. You may notice that this ain't the one I had, the thing I had on. Yes, I did swap it because the other ones did not fit. Sorry for the lighting. Really dark in here. But you know what? I roll up all the windows, get in the car, and show you what it's like to be in. Alright. There we are. Windows all nice and closed. Nah, that's dusty. Let me tighten the thing. There. Thankfully, don't need to replace this mirror. But need to do something about this. So, that's enough for today. I'll be back here tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, but, I think it's Thursday. Thursday and Friday, I'll be back out here. The end of the video Thursday. It'll be out either Saturday, Thursday night, or Saturday, or Wednesday, Friday night, or Saturday. So, I'll see you then, guys. Alright, I lied. I'm back out here at 6 o'clock, but that's like Whiskey Dent says, a little bit of welding doesn't hurt. So, guys, so when you want to be complete, you're not out here working for weeks. Yeah, wise man. But yeah, we're done with there. So let's get to the trunk. I want to complete that area or get it started over there. So let's go cut some metal. Lads, this is the day y'all been waiting for. Not that, but it's time to start it for you. Is 292 Y block, 2-barrel carb. Kind of simple, but it has dual exhaust glass packs. And do they have headers? No, it doesn't have the standard exhaust. So put the battery in, test the lights first. So make sure we're safety first. And we'll start it. Now let's make sure it don't catch on fire. Dome light. So it does have power, but does it have lights? Put it on. Accessories for 2 poles. Got 1 light bulb. No license plate light. That one, oh no. Oh, have all the headlights. Marker lights. Yes, we do. Very dim though. Very dim. Turn signals. 1 maybe is just half of the bulb. Nothing. But let's go start it. All right. Put half the bowl in, or fill half the bowl. Now you guys get to see how much spider webs go out here. I changed the thermos. Okay. I got a fire extinguisher right here. There you go, guys. She ran. Wow. That's quite awesome. Subscribe for that. All right. Now I'm going to go. We do have some welding wire. I'm going to go weld up that area. Like here, rest of there, some there. After that, just a bit in that corner. Then that big open part is left. That's the last part of the trunk. Pretty much the rest of the car too. So just a couple more days of welding. Wow. If you want us to part 2 next week for a part 2 instead of Sunliner, let me know in the comment section below because because we're close. Once we get the trunk done, we'll probably, if you guys want next week video to be that, we probably will get it done then. Maybe today. I don't know. Maybe that area done today. Maybe some there, but let me know in the comment section below, guys. So I'm going to start welding and show you the progress after because I'm running out of footage. All right, legends. Wow. Look at that. Now drop a like if you think that looks good. Nothing. I don't know what kind of wire my dad got this time, but it's much better this time than last time. Because I can put they solid welds. I think, despite how bad they look, they're pretty solid. Next, I want to get well, I'm gonna look under that, see how my dad did the cross beam. I'm also gonna try to put the gas tank somewhere here so he can see where not to put it. What else? Yeah, cross beam today. And I think that's all I have time for today. This video. We get the cross beam in and finish that area up. Little spot there, and these pieces need to get welded in. But after that, I think we'd be done for the Starliner or Christine for today. Well, today's special word of the day is 64. Yeah, 64 is the word of the day. Oh yeah. Yeah. Please go check out Whiskey Dents, guys. Yeah, without him's tips for welding, also High Octane Garage. They both help me with tips for welding. 117 Garage, I think it is. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Roadside Rescues, Classic Car Revivals, like I said. Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. Outside Garage. He's a new guy. He got some cool Fords. Go check him out. He only has a couple of videos, but looks decent. If you guys want get a good laugh people trying to lowball some old cars, please go check out what's it called, Backyard Broncos. Canadians, pretty funny guys. Who else? Yeah. So yeah, let's get this video to 6 likes actually for part 2 next and part 4 next week. So I'll see you guys next week. Whoa, 9